Hey guys, welcome back to another quick forum video. Sorry I sound a little robotic. I'm still a little bit sick, but I'm getting better, so that common cold. But in today's news, we're talking about Verizon, guys. Yes, the big red giant Verizon has joined T-Mobile and AT&T by offering a true unlimited mobile plan, guys. So yes, big news. If you guys are with Verizon, or you know about Verizon, which you should, they're the best basically carrier out there. They're also one of the most expensive carriers out there. They do have a lot of good things. It wasn't always like that, guys. So it's nice to see these these news coming out. So this is brought to you by The Verge. So shout outs to them. Just came out today, and I'd like to share their news with you guys. So it says Verizon has updated its unlimited plans in anticipation of new 5G spectrum coming online tomorrow-ish, soonish. So pretty soon they're gonna have a new 5G spectrum coming, which of course is gonna give more bandwidth, more speeds, more access to the network, guys. So that's pretty cool. It's gonna give, I believe, faster speeds and more 5G availability, more in more places, which is good because 5G is pretty fast. So this is the new plan. Costs the same and includes the same level access to the carrier's nationwide and ultra wideband 5G network. So Verizon does have 5G nationwide, not as big as the big T-Mobile, or big T-Dog, but they do have a good 5G network. Better than AT&T. So it says, but the priciest get more plan receives a notable upgrade. So the prices are not going to get cheaper or more expensive. They're going to get better. They're going to get an upgrade. They're going Super Saiyan, let's say. So for the same amount, you're going to get more for free. So that's always good. So it says unlimited monthly premium data that puts it on even terms with the other major carriers' top tier unlimited plans. So like I said, this is trying to compete with T-Mobile and AT&T. The plans previously known as Start, Play More, Do More, and Get More Unlimited, which were the plans that that Verizon offers, are now called 5G Start Unlimited, 5G Play More Unlimited. You get the idea. So, okay. So they're just adding basically 5G to it. To get more plan. Now, of course, before we continue, you have to have a 5G compatible device, guys. If your phone's not 5G, it's not going to take advantage of this 5G network. So remember, if you have a 4G phone, it's not going to really do too much unless you have a 5G phone. To get the 5G speeds. Now, you will still be able to get the perks and stuff like that. Just if you want 5G speeds, get your 5G phone. It says the Get More plan, $90 a month for one line with autopay, guys. Good lord, that's for one line. Previously included 50 gigs of premium data each month. So it used to give you 50 gigs of premium data, which, especially on 5G, guys, I've been saying this a long time. With 5G being a lot faster than 4G, you're gonna need more premium data, more unlimited data. They can't just be putting soft caps on you of 35 gigs or something like that. Boost Mobile. Like I said, people are blowing through that, especially if you're giving them unlimited data and faster data. They're just gonna, it's bananas. You're gonna blow through it. It says once customers reach that limit, they'd be subject to a slowdown during times of network congestion. The new 5G Gets More plan does away with that monthly cap. So before, if you wanted the fastest available speed and spectrum that they had, you had to pay the top dollar, $90 a month with auto pay on Verizon. That only got you 50 gigs of that sweet fast boom data. Now it was still unlimited. It's just once you hit that 50 gigs cap, your speeds were still unlimited. It's just you would slow down times of congestion. So like, let's say it's at 5 o'clock on a Friday or a Saturday or something like that, and you're at 55 gigs, your internet might actually pump the brakes on you. It might be slower, so it might slow down. Now, once there's no congestion there, let's say 8 or I don't know 12 or let's say 11 at night, your speeds are going to go way back up because there's not that much people on the road or on the network congesting that one tower. So that's why people love that premium data. It doesn't matter how much congestion there is in the network, you would get a fast pass to the network, kind of like if you go to Disneyland, you buy the fast pass, you got to skip everybody else. It's kind of what it is. So it's nice that they were getting rid of that cap now, guys. So sweet. It says Verizon is playing a little bit of catch up here since AT&T Unlimited Elite and T-Mobile's Magenta Max already offers all you can eat premium mobile data. I mean, I must give it to T-Mobile. T-Mobile's the one actually that is making these big changes and makes these big dogs kind of maybe shiver in their pants and be like, hold up, let's go ahead and offer something like this. So shout outs to T-Mobile and AT&T for making the big red giant do the same thing. It says the new 5G Get More plan also includes a boosted premium mobile hotspot data, 50 gigs up from 30. So the new 5G Get More plan, like I said, will give you an extra 20 gigs of mobile hotspot. Guys, 50 gigs of mobile hotspot is a lot, man. Good Lord. Especially if you're using that for streaming on your iPad or your laptop or anything like that. I mean, 50 gigs is plenty, guys. Of course, 50 gigs for home use is a good amount, but it's not gonna change your usage. The Play More and Do More plans now offer 30 gigs compared to 15. So the Play More and Do More have given you a 15 gig upgrade for free for the same price on your mobile hotspot. So that's pretty cool. It says one thing remains the same though. Customers on the basic start unlimited plan. So if you're on the cheap totem pole plan, you won't have access to the fast ultra wideband network at all, just a slower nationwide 5G. Now, I must tell you guys, the ultra wideband network is not available everywhere. So I think I would be fine with just the Star Unlimited, because here in my area, I don't have access to ultra wideband just yet. I do have nationwide 5G in my area, which is plenty fast. It says there's no great loss at the moment, but when C-band joins the call, it'll be a real bummer. So that's all that it's really saying. So what do you guys think about this, guys? Like I said, Verizon, let's go ahead and actually check this stuff out. So I was gonna say let's check it out, but it's for some reason it's not loading. But overall, like I said, this is really good news, especially for the consumer like me and you guys. I think this really is gonna push other. I mean, this could even impact the prepaid market if you think about it. Maybe Visible Wireless, which is under Verizon. Now think about TracFone, which is Total Wireless, Straight Talk. I mean, they have getting bumps from Verizon buying them out. So I think overall it's going to be a big bump. Hopefully this will encourage Cricket Wireless to get better, Boost Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile, with all these changes that their big carrier brother is doing, like AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon. Hopefully that will twinkle down to us, the prepaid consumers, or even for you as a postpaid consumer, which is really good. So overall, I think this is good change. I can't wait for it to be implemented. And when C-band comes out, if you're in that area and you have a compatible phone, like you have an iPhone 13 Pro, it's going to work. But like I said, overall, I think this is good, especially for people that live in rural America that don't have access to, Wi-Fi, but you have access to your phone or your iPad or whatever. You can still use that data and get that unlimited data, which is pretty cool. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want to support the channel, you can by checking out Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that provides you best promo codes, shopping discounts, and a lot more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. Will be in the description below, guys. It's totally free. Once you download your Google Chrome browser, you save some money. I save some money. Get a small kickback. So check it out. Thanks so much, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and a lot more news. Let me know what you think about Verizon and their truly unlimited mobile plans. Cool.